Am I the only one that didn't know how easy it is to start with Treasure NFTs? Let's break it down. First up, get to know the basics. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets. Treasure, on the Polygon blockchain, lets you create, trade, and use these NFTs. Next, choose your blockchain and marketplace. Treasure works on Polygon, but Ethereum is another popular choice. Pick a marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible that supports your chosen blockchain. Now set up a digital wallet. MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Binance Smart Chain (BSC) wallet are great options. Just make sure it's compatible with your blockchain. You'll need cryptocurrency, like Matic for Polygon, to cover transaction costs and purchase NFTs. Get some from exchanges or decentralized exchanges, DEX. Connect your wallet to the marketplace and you're ready to explore. Browse for Treasure NFTs and either bid on them or buy them directly. Finally, consider selling or trading your NFTs. You might just make a profit. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to Treasure NFTs.